Okay, I am going to make a water ride. I already started a little bit, and I'm gonna finish going up, and my sister is gonna see how bad I did because no, what did I just do? Okay, my sister wanted me to make a water ride, and then she tried to explain it to me, but then I did not know what the heck she was saying. So this is basically a test ride. I think that's tall enough for a test ride, but I like to go taller just in case. I mean, wouldn't you want a tall test water ride? Like, now, if any of y'all want to go on a water ride and they were making a new water ride and employees were going to test it, would y'all ask to test it with them, or would y'all just stay back and just watch it, see if anything bad happens before you get on it? I mean, I maybe might want to test it. Yes, I'm really stupid. So, that's tall enough, I guess. Maybe one more. Like, I would love to test a ride if I ever could. But I don't want to walk at a water ride. No, I don't. So, sorry, I was itching my leg and then I was still holding my mouse. I'm cold. No, I need that. I need that. Yes. And then that. And then my sister taught me how to go down. Yeah, I just started like playing Minecraft on my computer just like a couple of days ago. Cause my sister, I was playing on my phone and my sister gave me her account on Minecraft, which I changed the skin to a Harley Quinn. I know I am. I just don't like talking out. Stop reading it. Wiggling it. Wiggle it. You messed me up, and okay. I'm gonna stop talking now to you because you're annoying. And then over here, there we go. What? Really? Okay. Quit on. Dun dun da 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 dun dun da dun dun dun. Okay. There we go. Then I hate that. Please stop. Dang it, missed it. Dun-dun-dun. Yay! Okay. What about you talking, Dad? Exactly. We can also talk about the other thing I'm trying to make. Am I making it wrong?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it.
Give me the mouse.
Okay.
I'm trying to get you to do it.
What? Are you gonna destroy it all?
No.
Yay. Are you gonna destroy it?
No.
Or are you gonna make like so I can go? I'm confused. Okay. Oh, is it gonna go up in the water too?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm getting you. But won't the water flow out the bottom?
No, that's why I'm making a border.
No, I mean like when it goes.
No.
Starts going up. That's what I was thinking you were talking about. But then I forgot to do that whole stage. Oh, thanks.
Oops.
Where's the water?
That's why I said boat.
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? You're gonna put a boat in there so it won't be able to go up.
So,
It'll be able to go up the ride.
yeah.
What will it really fall behind?
To go up to it.
It won't be able to.
Well, get out and then you jump onto the boat.
And then how's the boat supposed to get up there?
It goes up the water.
And won't the water overflow?
No, that's why I'm making a border and I'm digging a hole in the ground.
Don't you need to dig a deeper hole?
I'm not done yet, Diddy.
We need to put, yeah. I haven't made the border for the.
No, fine.
It's gonna flood my place.
Not unless you do this. Talk.
Oh yeah. I forgot I don't usually talk during videos because I don't like to. But yeah.
Then why make a YouTube channel? It's all about talking.
Well, some people would make tutorials and they don't even talk. I hate it.
Then
Well, this isn't a tutorial. This is a test for a guide that you wanted me to make, and I was confused how to do it. Yeah, I got it from a lure. It actually helps you get the blocks down. So it soaks up all the water, especially wood, because wood helps soak them.
it does not soak it in. It holds it. It blocks it.
I mean, she helped me when I finished my barn house and I accidentally flooded it. She helped me.
The water should go away in a second.
Nope.
I will. I'm gonna watch this.
Gonna put the boat there. Not big enough. That means the whole thing's small enough. It's too small for.
No. You can fix it.
Good job, Taya. Okay, you know what? This is why this is a test run. That's why I wanted it to go up in a minecart because of the.
Yeah, well, guess what?
You messed it up.
Can't.
Yeah, can't you put really in the water?
No, I already tried.
Let me try. Okay, get out of that. No. Stop, don't follow me backwards.
Why?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that works. So, well, wish we can make this fly disappear. I don't know. Why is the solution on everything in Minecraft is to just blow it up?
Because it's easiest. Just want to get a pail and dump out all the water.
Oh, okay. Basically this. My house is flooding. flooded, blowed up.
Yes.
No.
In the game, yes.
Break down a wall. And then it's gonna be easy to just build up that wall. Instead of just building up the whole house again. It'll be cheaper too. this is gonna be an amusement park world. But I got a good idea. Okay. Let's try this. E. Sign. Put this back. Put this back. Put this back. I just dropped.
Did I ruin it?
Yes, you did.
Just blow it up.
No, I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna put a sign in front of it saying that this is not a ride anymore.
Turn auto order. Just put the boat in it so it looks more realistic.
So that looks more broke down. Okay.
Yeah.
I just realistic. Oh, that's cool. No, stop, no! This ride is no longer
Tab.
no. Tab.
Enter.
That is no.
Yeah, spell it right.
What? Oh shoot. No space longer. No longer. No longer what? Operable. How do you spell operable? Okay, fine. No, there already is a button there. So E and then just officially messed up this world. There's like an old plant there. Hey, this looks like it's dying. Let's do that. No! Quit doing that. No. Please tell me it kept me. No! This ride is no tab. No enter. Longer.
All caps.
Dang it! I did not click that! In action. I just spelled that wrong. Action. Finish. Let's put some plants by it.
Get some bone meal and make them grow.
No, I don't want them to go there. They have to look like it's dying.
Okay, well then that's easier.
Yeah. Delete these. A bunch of random plants, please. Please stop!
Well, I thought that's what you wanted.
No,
This is a bat.
look!
It's a bat.
God. Just like
You can make a roller
wait,
coaster.
will it go on this? No.
You can make a roller coaster full of plants.
No. That'll be a planet coaster.
Yeah.
There, look. It's very old and with a live plants too. But I think that this is the end of our video. Yeah.